Hey everybody, just going to do a quick review for you on these Sleep and Go inflatable mattress pads. My family got these last summer. We got 4 of them for our family of 4 to take on our camping trips and outings. So one thing I just want to say, I've been really happy with them overall. I really like the cool little carrying case that they come in, right? So they fold up nice and small, because everything I buy for our camping and stuff, I like things that can be really compact down, so doesn't feel like we have a lot of baggage while we're out. So I really like that about these. And it comes with this kind of little patch kit in case you're out and you happen to, puncture it or get any type of hole or tear in it. So little patch and some glue to stick it on there so you can, blow it back up, or easily patch the hole. So one of the things that's also really cool about it, if you look here, so it says to deflate, you have to push back this little black flap in here. So it's been really cool. So after you get it, or while you're blowing it up, you don't have to worry about the air coming back out and it being really difficult to get it inflated. So you just simply, you see how fast it deflates. So, and it took my wife about 19 or 20 breaths to blow this one up. I don't remember what it was advertised at, but that's what it took her. So overall it was really easy. And again, this is kind of an anti-air flow or backflow, so as you're blowing it up, you don't lose the progress that you made already. So that's been really cool. And say overall it was really, pretty comfortable. I'd say somewhat it does depend on where you're using it too. So we have kind of 2 different tent situations. We have one where we use it on the ground, and when we use it on the ground it did a really good job for us. But then we also have a tent that goes in our truck bed, and we have the truck bed liner, and it has the really deep grooves in it. So when we had all the really deep grooves in the truck bed, we could still feel those quite a bit. So like I said, in the truck bed it was okay. On the ground it was really good. So I'd say it depends on where you're using it, but overall I think it's a really good product, and my family likes it, and we're going to keep on using them.